Hi! Now that we've taken a look at how to set up interactive dashboards to graphically visualize data, we'll be taking a look at a special field type in Flowfinity, the nested field. Nested fields allow users to access structured data embedded within a nest in the main record. Essentially, you can store a significant amount of data in one field, which makes displaying large lists such as inventory much more efficient on mobile devices. Nested fields would be chosen over simple lists when the record needs to contain related data that is inseparable from the main record and always needs to be stored together. For example, parts used to complete a job. In this example, we will create a nested field that will contain an inventory list, so when our technician is dispatched to the field, they can easily select which parts were used on the job. Open the Configure tab. Customize the Dispatch Technician app. In the Work Order Details page, add a new field. Name it Parts and set its type to Nested Field. Next, click Customize Nested Form. Note that this brings up another form creation menu, just like the main one. We are essentially creating another form nested within the Parts field inside the Work Order Details form. The method to create the form is the same. Create 4 new fields: part name, an input field; price per item, a money field; requested quantity, a numeric field; and parts subtotal, a money field. Click Save. Now, let's prepare a basic repair kit and pre-fill the records in the nested field. Click Pre-fill Nested Records. In the following menu, you can add records like you do in the main app, but this time you use the nested field layout. We'll add 3 records: nails, duct tape, and bolts. Fill all the fields and click Save. Now, our technician is equipped with a standard basic repair kit. Good for him. Let's continue customizing our nested field. First, select whether you want your nested field to have borders or to be borderless in the respective drop-down. We'll select borders. Next, you can choose to have a displayed count of nested records. We'll deselect this option for now. The drop-down Copy Filter Layout is the layout that will be used when copying rows within a nested field. We'll leave it as Layout Used by Operation, but since our nested field is available in all layouts by default, this won't affect it. Now, let's customize the type of nested field. There are 3 types: nested list, nested grid, and nested form, which are selected in the Control column of the Layout menu. Nested form displays items as subforms with all fields shown. This allows for quick data entry, but takes up more space on the screen. Nested grid displays items as a list, with fields shown horizontally, as columns across the screen. This allows for quick data entry and is best suited for larger devices such as tablets. You control which fields are displayed on the main form. Nested list displays items in a list, with subfields hidden on the main form. This saves space by making the list more compact. You have the option to drill down into each item selectively when you are ready to input or view data. As our technician will mainly be using the mobile version of Flowfinity, let's select Nested List as the option best suitable for smartphones. Finally, specify how a user can interact with the nested field by adjusting operations availability in the Layout section. We'll enable all 4 operations: Add, Edit, Delete, and Copy. Click Save Form and publish the app. Now, when using the app in the field, the user has a pre-populated inventory of parts to choose from, neatly displayed in a list format. Now you can create and customize nested fields that let you efficiently organize large amounts of data, such as inventory lists, in your records. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how to use formulas to perform calculations that automatically and accurately populate fields. This is a powerful tool with vast potential for your applications. We'll calculate the total work order price, including invoiced hours, purchased parts, and additional expenses. See you then.